time tonight. We're throwing it down on the drag strip. Friday Night Lights, live and in charge. Tomorrow, drivers of the Bounty Hole, do not forget, 9:30 a.m. drivers meeting. If you're not there, you can sit at the square, because you won't be running. The square won't be in the track.
On the sidelines, Daryl. On the sidelines.
Tony Ramos, come to the stage.
Green red matchup right here. Looking at two high lifters. High lifter versus high lifter. One of them is sitting on super ATV portals.
Justin, he gonna need to